Imagine you're sitting on the edge of your seat, waiting for that special package to arrive. You know it's coming, but you're dying to know when. Now, imagine that package is filled with money, sent from a loved one halfway across the world. But there's a catch: you're not sure if you can receive it. That's the question we're tackling today. Can you receive money on Paysend? Understanding Paysend. Paysend is a global money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money quickly and easily. But can it handle the kind of international money transfers we're talking about? Let's dive into the details. Can you receive money on Paysend? The short answer is yes, you can receive money on Paysend. It's a key feature of the platform. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Supported countries. Paysend operates in a number of countries. To check if your country is supported, visit their website or app. Receiving methods. Paysend offers various receiving methods, including bank transfers, cash pickups, and mobile wallets. The available options will depend on your location and the sender's preferences. Fees. There may be fees associated with receiving money on Paysend. These fees can vary depending on the receiving method and your location. It's important to check the fees before sending or receiving money. How to receive money on Paysend. Receiving money on Paysend is a straightforward process. Create an account. If you don't already have a Paysend account, you'll need to create one. The process is quick and easy. Provide your details. Once you've created an account, you'll need to provide your receiving details. This might include your bank account number, mobile wallet address, or information about your nearest cash pickup location. Wait for the transfer. After the sender has initiated the transfer, you'll receive a notification. The transfer time can vary depending on several factors, including the sending and receiving methods. Check your account. Once the transfer is complete, you should be able to see the funds in your account. Benefits of using Paysend. Using Paysend to receive money offers several benefits. Speed. Paysend is known for its fast transfer times, which can be especially useful when you need the money urgently. Convenience. The platform is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface. Security. Paysend takes security seriously, implementing measures to protect your personal and financial information. Global reach. With its wide network of partners, Paysend can facilitate transfers to and from many countries. Common questions about receiving money on Paysend. Let's address some common questions you might have. Is it safe to receive money on Paysend? Yes, Paysend is generally considered safe. They use encryption and other security measures to protect your information. How long does it take to receive money on Paysend? Transfer times can vary, but Paysend aims to be quick. However, factors like the sending and receiving methods can impact the speed. Are there any fees associated with receiving money on Paysend? Yes, there may be fees involved. These fees can vary depending on the receiving method and your location. Can I receive money from anyone? Yes, you can receive money from anyone who has a Paysend account. So, can you receive money on Paysend? Absolutely. It's a convenient and often fast way to transfer funds internationally. However, it's essential to understand the specific details, such as supported countries, receiving methods, and potential fees, to ensure a smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.